Okay, the answer for this question will be PGM, like a pragmatic general multicast. So the protocol which we use to provide security to emails, which is a PGM. Option two is the correct answer. Like is a reliable multicast transport protocol for applications that require multicast data delivery from a single source to multiple receivers. So when like a duplicate free multicast data delivered from multiple sources to multiple receivers. Okay, the next question is the portion of a LAN management software restrict access, record user activity, and audit the audit data and etc. What will be the answer for this question? Okay. Anyone else? Yeah. Some of the students are replying the answer with B, security management, as absolutely right. Answer for this question will be B. Like the security management cover all aspect of protecting an organization assets, including computers, people like a building and other assets against risk. So for this question, answer will be two, security management. Yeah. The next question is cashier cipher with the key three is present as a
అంతా నీ
what
అమ్మ జట్టు
what will
ఎంపేస్తా.
be the answer? You all need to tell me what will be the answer for this question. I'm not going to tell you. You just think about it. What will be the answer and need to tell me. What happened, Harika? You want to ask something? What will be the answer for this question? Option D. Okay. How you are calculated? Your answer is right, but you need to tell me how you are calculated. See, if you are using like a previous cipher with key, like the are encrypted by adding module 26 and C equal to will be like a P. is your key mod, which is 26, where C is a ciphertext and P is a plain text, and are decrypted by adding the inverse of the key. So you just need to calculate this, and when we are calculating, you will get the answer, which is option 4. Anyone getting this? Option will be right. The next question is number of rounds in data encryption standard algorithm. Number of rounds in data encryption standard algorithm. What will be the answer? See, firstly, you need to understand what is DES, data encryption standard algorithm. Like DES stand for data encryption standard. There are a certain mechanism that can be used to crack the DES algorithm. Like the DES algorithm use a key of 56-bit size. Using this key, the DES take a block of 64-bit plain text and text as an input and generate a block of 64-bit ciphertext. See, firstly, what we use is 56-bit size for the algorithm, and after that, we are using for a DES text a block of 64 bits. We get the yeah, yeah. We can I can give you the recorded session. Don't worry. Okay, firstly, you need to understand. And we are using the 56 bit for a DES algorithm. Using this key, DES take a block of 64 bit and plain text as an input and generate a block of 64-bit ciphertext. And the DES process has several steps involved in it, where each step is called a round. Like whatever we are doing, we can call it a round. And depending upon the size of the key being used, the number of round varies. For example, 128-bit key require 10 round, and 192 bit key require 12 rounds, and so on. So, number of round, which is the like a standard round, we can say that it will be for this question. The answer will be 16. 16 round, we needed like number of round in data encryption standard algorithm. Like this is, we can say that is a symmetric key block cipher, which is created earlier, and you like the algorithm take plain text for the 64-bit of block and convert them into a ciphertext using 48-bit key. So you just need to apply the uh, like the process of, you have like a IP, like a initial permutation. Like in initial permutation, what we can do, like the plain text is divided into smaller chunks of a 64 size, and the IP performed before the first round. Like this phase describe the implementation of the transposition, and after that you need to like a key transform expansion permutation, and you need to like perform some of the operation, then you will take the 16 round of the option. The answer for this question will be 16 round, means option 3 is the correct. Now we can move for the next question, which is, you can see, which of the following key resides on all station as in AP and clients devices in a four-way handshake. What will be the answer for this question? Can anyone tell me? Okay. Anyone else? Yes. See, the PMK is stand for like a pairwise master key. The answer for this question will be PMK, like a pairwise master key. So we need to understand like what is the meaning of this word. Like a PMK is a cryptographic key which is used to derive lower level key and network based on technology such as UMTS and WiMAX use the PMK as a part of their relative security procedure. And if you are in enjoy using the glossary, here you can some of the useful resource you make you can use. And after the PSK, authentication, a shared secret key is generated, then called the pairwise master key. In PSK, authentication is actually the which is typically derived from the Wi-Fi password by putting it through the key derivation function that use SHA-1 as the cryptographic hash function. So, for this question, answer will be option 2. Now we can move for the next question, which you can see here. Like the which of the following is not the benefit of cloud if you choose platform as a service? What will be the answer? Okay. Anyone else? Okay. Uh, one or two students are replying the answer with management of middleware. Which is the correct answer for this question? Which of the following is not the benefit of cloud if you choose as a platform as a for this question, answer will be management of a middleware. Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of management of middleware? Okay, see, a middleware, like a management of middleware is the software layer that lies between the operating system and application on each side of a distributed computer network. And typically, it supports complex distributed business software application. And also, middleware is a software and cloud services that provide you common service and capabilities to application and help to developers and operators to build and deploy the application in a more efficient way. So we can say that the option for this question will be one, management of a middleware. Uh, the next question, which you can see, yeah. The next question is, which of the following benefits of cloud make it easy for a company with a rapid movement to keep the entire system fully functional? What will be the answer? Okay. Anyone else? See, the option which you have are reliability, collaboration, quick deployment, and automatic software integration. The question is, which of the following benefits of cloud make it easy for company with the rapid movement of keep entire system successfully functional? For this question, answer will be automatic, okay, reliability, collaboration. Answer will be for this question, automatic software integration. We need to understand why, like a cloud computation is a broad term that refer to a process and tool that reduce or eliminate manual efforts and used to provision and manage cloud computing workload and services also. Like organization can apply cloud automation to provide public and hybrid cloud environments. So for that reason, we can say that the option for this question will be automatic software integration. Okay. The next question is, which of the following payment option is best suited for small business in cloud? Yeah, yes. So many students are writing the correct answer. So for this question, which of the following payment option is best suited for small business in cloud? The option will be pay as you go. Pay as you go cloud allow a user to it is a we can say that it is a payment method for cloud computing that charges based on usage, and the practice is similar to that of utility bills and using only resources that are needed, and it is also allow a user to scale, customize, and provision computing resources including software, storage, and development platform. And resources charges are based on the use service like versus entire infrastructure. So the answer will be one. Now we can move for the next question, which you can see. What router command allow you to determine whether an IP access list is enabled on a particular interface? So what will be the command of which you have an option show IP port, to access list, to IP interface, and access list interface also. What will be the answer for question number 16? Okay. Anyone else? Uh, Okay. Just let me check who is writing the correct answer. Okay, 7D5. Your answer is right. At the SO IP interface, answer will be SO IP interface. To get a detailed listing of all IP related characteristics of an interface, use the SO IP interface and use SO IP interface command. And a common use for this command is to view any secondary address that have been assigned to an interface. They do not show up in the standard show interface output. So the answer for this question will be option C, third option. Okay, and now we can move for the next question. The next question you can see antivirus scanning devices fall under which type of network security devices? What will be the answer? The question is antivirus scanning devices fall under which type of network security devices? The option which I'm getting, okay, okay. The answer will be active devices. Like these security devices block the surplus traffic and firewalls, antivirus scanning devices also, and cannot filtering devices are the example of such devices. So for this question, answer will be E. Okay. Okay, now we can move for the next question. The next question is, you can see, which of the following is correctly mapped the relationship between the cloud or data center? You have an option like in-house IT professional, like a data center co-location make failure dependent on cloud. Instance, scalable data center as per use, pay as per use, and on premises data center remote hardware and involve challenge and delay in scalability. What will be the answer for this question? Question number 18. Have anyone idea what will be the answer? Okay. The answer for this question, okay, someone is writing. Answer for this question will be C, like on premises data center remote hardware on a cloud. Like an on premises data center is a group of servers that you privately own and control the traditional cloud computing as opposed to hybrid and private cloud computing model, and involve leasing data centers resource from a third party service provider also. So we can say that like the answer for this question will be C. Yeah, right. Answer will be C. The next question, in this question, you need to consider a situation when you have to choose between the major cloud services providers which you choose if you need a cloud service, if you do not want to have a backup support. Then what will be the answer? Okay. Anyone else? Yeah, Google Cloud. Yeah, answer will be Google Cloud. See, firstly, we need to understand Google cloud service providers. Cloud service providers offer various services such as the software as a service platform, as a service, and infrastructure as a service, and application also mobile applications and the uh, infrastructure in the cloud also. The cloud services provide host these services in the data center, like user can access these services through the cloud provider using the internet connection. So if we are talking about the cloud service providers, like the first one is AWS, which is a Amazon Web Service, is a secured cloud service platform, and it is provided by Amazon. It offers various services such as a database storage, computing power, content delivery, and so many things. And if we are talking about like Oracle, we have a option also Azure is also known as a window Azure. It also supports various operating system, database programming languages, framework that allow IT professionals to build easy deployment and management. And the if we are talking about the Google Cloud, the Google Cloud is like a we can say that Google Cloud platform as a product of a Google. It consists of a set of physical devices also, and such as a computer, hard disk drive, and virtual machine. And it also help organization to simplify the migration process. And like a Google Cloud include various big data services such as Google BigQuery, Google Cloud Data Proc, and Google Cloud Data Lab, and so many things. And it also provides service related to networking, including Google Virtual Private, VPC, and content delivery networking, Google Cloud load balancing, and so many things. So you need to consider the situation which major services provided. So if we are talking about the major services, then we will go with the Google Cloud. So option D will be the right answer for this question. Now the next question is, which of the following types of network security ensure that potential attacker cannot infiltrate your network? What will be the answer? Okay. Someone is writing a virtual private network. Okay, what is a virtual private network? See, the answer will be for this question is a virtual private network. And like a virtual private network or a VPN is an encrypted connection over the internet from a device to a network. And the encrypted connection help ensure that sensitive data is safely transmitted. And it is act as an intermediary between the user getting online connecting to the internet by hiding their IP address. Using VPN, create a private encrypted tunnel through which a user device can access the internet while hiding their personal information, location, and other data also. So we can say that for this question, answer will be virtual private network. And the common example of a virtual private network is an IPsec based on a WAN where all the offices of a business connect to each other across the internet using IP. and IP tunnel, there are several kind of networks in a VPN. So for this question, answer will be 3. Okay, the next question is an attack in which the user receive an unwanted amount of emails as what? Okay, the option we have a smothering, denial of services, email bombing, and ping storm. Okay, the answer for this question will be email bombing. An email bomb is a denial of service attack against an email server designed to make email accounts unusable or a cause of network downtime. So we need to understand how it is work. Like an email bomb fill up in your inbox with countless messages in short period and leading to downtime or outright shutdown of the account. And a single malicious attacker or organized group of bots can compromise system are the typical preparators on an email. So we can say that it's like a attack and is to attack especially with the artillery or bombers. So for this question, answer will be email bombing and option number 3. Okay, the next question is attack in which a user create a packet that appear to be something else. Okay, anyone else? The answer for this question will be spoofing attack, like the which create for a user packet that appears to be something else. So for this question, answer will be spoofing. And what is spoofing? Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of spoofing? Have you any idea what is spoofing? Okay, let me know. See, we can say that spoofing is a technique through which a cyber criminal disguise themselves as a known or a trusted source. Spoofing can take many forms, such as a spoofed email, IP spoofing, or DNS spoofing also, and GPS spoofing, website spoofing. So many options for this, and also spoofing is a importance of a cyber security. It when someone or something pretend to be something else in an attempt to gain our confidence, get access to our system, and steal data and steal money or spread malware. So spoofing attack come in many form, including email, website, or URL, or you can get with the caller ID also. So this is the meaning of spoofing? Anyone know what is a Trojan? What is a Trojan attack? See, the like a Trojan horses virus is a type of malware that download onto a computer discussed as a legitimated program, and the delivery method typically sees an attacker use social engineering to hide like a malicious code within a legitimated software to try again user for system. And like for example, if we are discussing like the most famous discovery, like a Bitfrost, a remote access Trojan that infected window clients by changing and creating and altering components, and teeny bankers, which allowed attackers to steal sensitive information, financial information also. So the meaning of we already know now, Trojan, email bombing and spoofing also. So now we can move for the next question, which is a DES encryption algorithm is an example of which of the following option, like a bit-oriented cipher, all of the mentioned option, byte-oriented cipher, and key alternative block of cipher. What will be the answer for this question? Okay, but we don't have a option block cipher. Option is bit-oriented cipher, byte-oriented cipher, key alternating block ciphers. Okay, you were answering the last one. Okay, and all of the mention. Anyone else? Answer will be bit-oriented cipher for this question. This is an example of DES encryption algorithm. Okay. The next question is which of the following cloud services provide does not hyper storage? The option which you have AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Which of the following cloud services providers does not provide hyper storage? The option AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Okay, anyone else? The option for B, like option for this question will be B. AWS as not provide a hybrid storage for the like a cloud service provider. Okay. See, the meaning of hybrid storage means describe the storage system that are designed with the blend and placed like this. And have you any idea about hybrid storage? AWS is which type? Amazon Web Services. Like if we are talking about a hybrid storage, in hybrid cloud storage means an approach to managing cloud storage that use both local and offsite resources. And the cloud storage infrastructure is often used to supplement internal storage in public cloud also. But we don't have an option in AWS. Okay. The next question is, which of the following cloud service provider should be preferred if most of your data is as of a binary object, large binary object type? What will be the answer? Which of the following cloud service providers should be preferred if most of your data is of binary large object type? What will be the answer? Like you have an option Oracle, Azure, Google Cloud Platform, and AWS. Okay, alright. The Azure, no, not AWS. Microsoft Azure, formerly known as a Window Azure, and it's like a Microsoft public cloud computing platform, and it provides a broad range of cloud services, including compute, analytics, storage, and networking also. So we can store our data in the large amount, binary large object type, which also can use in a Azure. So for this question, answer will be option B, 2. Now, okay. Now you can see the question like which of the following statement is true about cloud and data center. The first option is in cloud owner is responsible for downtime and repairs. And in the second option, you can see in data center owner is responsible for downtime and repair. So the answer will be neither one or not two, only two, only three, or both one and two. What will be the answer for this question? Okay. The answer will be two, only like in data center owner is responsible for downtime and repair also. Like this is the second statement is true about the cloud and data center for both. Okay. The next question is identify the deployment model among the following. Like we have a private, public, and hybrid model. So what is the deployment model among these? What will be the answer? Okay. The answer for this question, someone is raising hand. What happened, Akshay? You want to ask something? Okay. The answer for this will be all of the above. Like if we are identifying the deployment model, so in this model we can include private, public, and protected, or like a private, public, and hybrid model. Like in a cloud deployment model, public cloud, private cloud, and community cloud also is involved, and the hybrid cloud. Like a cloud deployment model is defined according to where the infrastructure for the development reside and who has control over the infrastructure. So the main model, as we can say that, like the for the deployment will be the private, public, and hybrid. Okay. The next question is, choose the among following which is related to services provided by the cloud. Question is, choose the among following which is related to services provided by the cloud. Okay, I'm getting the answer from you like option one. Anyone else? Sourcing. Okay, I will explain. For this question, answer will be sourcing. Like cloud sourcing is a type of outsourcing that allows business to outsource their IT infrastructure as well as their operational needs. And the cloud services servicing involve utilizing a third party that hosts your data and application in its data center. So for this question, we can say that like the answer will be sourcing. And if we are someone is asking with me like what is the meaning of AAS, is the analytics as a services. Like if we are talking about the analytics as a services is a type of cloud service, and it provide access to data and analyze software and tools through the cloud rather than having to invest it on a premises software. And analytics as a services are complete and customized solution for organizing, analyzing, and visualizing data. Okay, I hope now you understand what is AAS. You got your answer, so that we can move for the next question. Okay, no problem. See, the analytics as a services is a type of cloud service. It provide access to data and analysis like a software and tools through the cloud rather than having to invest in on a premises software. And analytics as a service are a complete and customizable solution for organizing, visualizing, and analyzing your data, and which eliminate the needs of organization to invest expensive software or hardware. Now you understand? Okay. The next question is, choose the correct IaaS provider among the following. Like you have a option EC2, EC1, and hybrid also. So some of the students are replying with the answer EC2. The answer for this question will be EC1. Is that correct or not? The question is choose the correct IaaS provider among the following. The option which you have EC2, EC1 and hybrid. Don't go with this option. You just need to tell me what will be the option. This is not the correct option. See, the answer for this question will be EC2. Like EC2 stand for like Elastic Compute Cloud, and EC2 is on-demand computing services on the AWS cloud platform, and under the computing, it includes all the services as a computing devices can offer you to, along with the flexibility of a virtual environment also. So for this question, this is the best service provider for the IaaS, and the option will be EC2. The next question, as you can see, identify identify among the components which are known as a hypervisor. What will be the answer? VMC. Okay. The answer for this question will be VMM. Like VMM is stand for Virtual Machine Monitor, and also is known as a hypervisor. Like is a software that create and run virtual machines. And a hypervisor allow one host computer to support multiple guest VMS by virtually sharing the resources, and such as a memory and processing also. So for this question, answer will be 2, VMM, Virtual Memory Monitor. The next question is choose the correct relationship of cloud services to the customer. The question is choose the correct relationship of cloud services to the customers, and which you have a option one to one, one to many, many to one, and one to many. What will be the answer? Anyone else? See, the cloud services are a one to many relationship with their customer. No, no. Answer will be one to many for the cloud service customers. Okay. And the next question is, which of the following refer to the network or internet? Which of the following refers to network or internet? Right. Cloud computing as it refers to as a network or a internet. So the for the question number 36 and for this question answer will be cloud computing. Okay. The next question is state whether true or false. Is Google document a type of cloud computing? What will be the answer? State whether true or false. Is Google document a type of cloud computing? Yeah, right. Answer will be true for this question. And the next one is what does the term elasticity in cloud computing refer to? Ability to scale down parallel or ability to scale up both A and B. The question is what does the term elasticity in cloud computing refer to, and the option which you have ability to scale down parallel, ability to scale up, and both A and B, both A and C. Okay, the answer for this question will be both A and C. Like if we are talking about the term of elasticity in the cloud computing, it will refer to the ability to scale up and scale down, ability to scale up and scale down both. So for this question, answer will be a 4, a D1. Okay, the next question is identify among the following which are the example of IaaS cloud computing. The option which you have Lino Code, Cisco Meta Cloud, Digital Ocean, or all of the above. What will be the answer? Okay, anyone else? The answer for this question will be all of the above. Like these all are the part of the IaaS, like a Linode, Cisco Meta Cloud, and Digital Ocean. So for this question, answer will be all of the above. The last question for today, like the identify among the following which are example of SaaS cloud computing. The option which you have Dropbox, Salesforce, Group, Google Workshop, or all of the above. Okay. Okay. See, if you're talking about the SaaS cloud computing as a part of like in SaaS, we can use Dropbox, Salesforce, and Google Workshop also. So for this question, answer will be all of the above. Like we can use all of the mentioned things. So for that question, also answer will be option 4. Okay. Uh, this is the last question for today. Okay. If you have any doubt in any question, then you can ask me now. And if you don't have a doubt related to today's session, then you can now leave the class. For today, now we're going to bind the session and I will provide all the content like whatever the PDF and PPT I am using. Just I will inform your management. They will provide. Okay, okay. Uh, if anyone want to take a screenshot, then you can take. Just give me 1 minute. I will scroll up. Yeah. Now you can see if you want, then you can take a screenshot. If you're done with this, then you please tell me. I will scroll down. Have you done with this? Okay, okay. I'm going to scroll. Okay, now you can take with the 4th to 6th.
Uh, Hello.
Yes. Anyone want to say something? Okay. Now the question number 17 to 19. Now you can take the screenshot of this. Okay. Now I'm going to scroll down. The question number 20 to 23, which you want, you can take. Done? 24 to 26, 30 to 32, 32 to 35, and 36 to 39, 38. And this is the last two, 39 and 40. Okay. I hope you're done. Now I can stop to share my screen. Okay.